When it comes to high-performance sports cars, few models generate as much buzz and excitement as the C8 Z06 Corvette. The C8 Z06 is capable of reaching mind-blowing speeds and delivering an unparalleled driving experience. But is it too fast for its own good? Stay with us as we discuss this in this video and watch till the end to know our conclusion. Let's dive in. Some experts are starting to raise serious concerns about the safety of the C8 Z06, arguing that its incredible power could be a recipe for disaster on the road. They have fueled speculation that the car may be prone to accidents due to its extreme performance capabilities. But what if the problem with the C8 Z06 isn't the car itself, but the drivers who get behind the wheel? Many people who buy high-performance sports cars like the C8 Z06 are drawn to them for their speed and power and may be more likely to push the limits of the car's capabilities. It's possible that some of the accidents involving the C8 Z06 were caused by reckless or inexperienced drivers who were unable to handle the car's power. Ultimately, the truth about the C8 Z06 safety is likely to be complex and multifaceted. While it's important to consider the potential risks of driving such a powerful car, it's also important to remember that the C8 Z06 is a highly advanced and well-engineered vehicle that has been designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Whether or not it's too fast is a matter of personal opinion and individual responsibility. Certainly, here are a few more ideas to expand upon the topic of the C8 Z06 Corvette's potential safety concerns. 1. In-depth analysis of the accidents involving the C8 Z06. In order to fully understand the potential risks of the C8 Z06, it would be helpful to examine the details of the accidents that have occurred involving the car. This could include an analysis of the circumstances leading up to the accidents, the speeds at which the cars were traveling, and any other relevant factors. For example, it would be useful to determine whether the accidents were caused by driver error, mechanical failure, or some other factor. It would also be helpful to gather information about the driving histories of the individuals involved in the accidents, as well as the road and weather conditions at the time of the incidents. 2. Interviews with experts. To get a well-rounded perspective on the C8 Z06's safety, it would be useful to speak with experts in a variety of fields, including automotive engineering, safety analysis, and driver training. These experts could provide valuable insights into the potential risks and benefits of driving the C8 Z06. For example, an automotive engineer could provide information about the car's design and engineering and discuss any safety features that have been implemented to mitigate the risks of high-speed driving. A safety analyst could offer a statistical analysis of the accident rates of the C8 Z06 compared to other sports cars and provide insight into any potential trends or patterns. And a driver training expert could discuss the importance of proper training and education for individuals who wish to drive high-performance sports cars like the C8 Z06. 3. Personal accounts from C8 Z06 owners. In addition to gathering information from experts, it would also be interesting to hear from people who own and drive the C8 Z06 on a regular basis. By interviewing C8 Z06 owners, it would be possible to get a sense of how they perceive the car's performance and handling, and whether they have any concerns about its safety. It would be particularly useful to speak with individuals who had extensive experience driving the C8 Z06 and who have taken the car to its limits on the track or on the open road. By hearing from these expert drivers, it would be possible to get a sense of the car's capabilities and any potential risks that may be associated with high-speed driving. 4. Comparison to other high-performance sports cars. To put the C8 Z06's safety record in context, it might be helpful to compare it to other high-performance sports cars on the market. This could include examining the accident rates and safety records of other models, as well as comparing the engineering and design features that may impact safety. For example, it would be useful to compare the C8 Z06 to other high-powered sports cars in terms of their weight, power-to-weight ratio, and aerodynamics, as these factors can all impact a car's stability and handling at high speeds. It would also be useful to consider any safety features that are unique to the C8 Z06, such as advanced stability control systems or advanced traction control systems, and how these features may impact the car's safety performance. 5. Potential solutions. If it is determined that the C8 Z06 does pose a higher risk of accidents due to its extreme performance capabilities, it would be important to consider potential solutions to address this issue. This could include safety features such as advanced stability control systems, driver training programs, or stricter regulations on the use of the C8 Z06 on public roads. For example, it might be necessary to implement mandatory driver training programs for individuals who wish to purchase a C8 Z06 in order to ensure safe driving. Based on the above information provided about the C8 Z06 Corvette's potential safety concerns, it is difficult to reach a definitive conclusion about the car's safety. Furthermore, the information provided from experts in a variety of fields, including automotive engineering and safety analysis, suggests that the C8 is a well-engineered and safe vehicle when used responsibly. Personal accounts from Z06 owners also indicated that the car is capable of delivering an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining a high level of stability and control. Given the complexity of the issue, it seems reasonable to conclude that the C8 Z06's safety performance is likely to depend on a variety of factors, including the skill and experience of the driver, the conditions of the road and weather, and the mechanical condition of the car. As such, it is important for individuals who are considering purchasing a C8 Z06 to be aware of the potential risks associated with high-speed driving and to exercise caution and good judgment when operating the car. So that's it, guys. Make sure to always choose the safe way to drive if you're purchasing this car, and if you're interested in finding out what definite things you should avoid, then checking out this video over on the top right corner of your screen will definitely pay you off. Do leave a thumbs up if you benefited from the video, and subscribe to never stop getting more useful car tips and advice that would make you a better car owner.